Chapter number 5, L'heure du compte. Today we are going to start up with le verb transitive and intransitive. It is given on page number 60. Now, first of all, I would like to tell you that which verbs comes in this. Okay? Rentre, montrer, ronter, monter, retourner, descendre, sortir, and passer. These all verbs comes in transitive and intransitive verbs. Now, what is the rule? How can we identify that the given sentence we have to write transitive and intransitive? Which verb will conjugate with ऐत्र verb and which with avoir? Transitive में ऐत्र आता है या avoir? Intransitive में ऐत्र आता है या avoir? So what is the rule that we are going to learn now? Whenever these all verbs are followed by preposition and an object. Whenever these all verbs are followed by preposition या फिर object, then the particular verb is called as transitive verb. And it will be conjugated with auxiliary verb être. And whenever there is no preposition after the blank, whenever there is no preposition after these verbs and direct object is placed. What is placed? Direct object is placed after it. Then it is called as intransitive verbs, and then they will be followed by auxiliary verb avoir. Verbs are same throughout in both the cases. Whenever the blank will be followed by preposition or an object, then it will be called as transitive verb. And whenever there is no preposition and we are talking about direct object, then it is intransitive verb and followed by avoir. Now, let us take one example. Il dash passer de mois aux États-Unis. Il dash passer par cette ville. Now you can see here, il dash passer 2 mois aux États-Unis. He dash passed 2 months in United States of America. And here in this blank, it is written il dash passer par cette ville. You can see that blank and the verb is followed by preposition. Par is a preposition. Okay? What is par? Par is a preposition. So accordingly, we are going to use here être verb and here avoir. तो यहाँ पर आएगा il est passé and here it will come il a passé. So I think now you are understood with the difference between transitive and intransitive verb. Now we will learn to read the vocabulary of chapter number 5, which is given on page number 61. First, I'll read the French words and then the English words. First, contre, pale, devant, in front of, enfin, at last, isolé, isolated, l'amour, love. L'histoire, story. La fille, fairy. La grotte, cave. La pièce, play. Le génie, genie. Le loup, wolf. Le treasure, treasure. Les monstres, monsters. Mummy, grandma. Question number 1, back exercise. A part. Nous sortons très tard de la boum. In this question, you have to change the given sentences to past tense. Changer ces phrases au passé composé. Nous sortons très tard de la boum. First of all, find out the word in the given sentence. It is written, nous sortons. Sortons is the sortir verb. Now, first of all, I'm going to write one sentence. Then I'll tell you step by step how you are going to change it. Nous sortons très tard de la boum. Your first step is find out the verb. This is the verb. Which verb is it? This is verb sortir. What is the past participle of sortir? Sortir. Now, this verb comes in Dr. Mrs. Van der Tramp or not? You will check this. Yes, this verb comes in Dr. Mrs. Van der Tramp. So it will be conjugated with auxiliary verb être. Your answer will be nous sommes sortis with an S très tard de la boum. Next, B part. Il ne vient pas chez toi. Here the verb is venir. Venir becomes venue, and it comes in Dr. Mrs. Van der Tramp. It will be conjugated with auxiliary verb être. Ils ne sont pas venus with an S chez toi. C part. Monsieur et Mademoiselle Vincent partons aux vacances ce soir. Monsieur et Mademoiselle Vincent sont partis with an S aux vacances ce soir. D part. Elle descend de l'escalier très vite. Here, the verb is descendre, means descendre verb, and descendre verb comes in Dr. Mrs. Van der Tramp, and it changes to descendu. So it will elle est descendu, and you will add an extra E to it. Elle est descendue de l'escalier très vite. E part. Mark. Here the verb is tomber, conjugated with être. Mark est tombé du lit. F part. Vas-tu à l'école ce dimanche? तो A, tu allé à l'école ce dimanche. Next is il passait chez moi. So here you can see the verb is passer. G part. Il passait is the verb. Passer also comes in Dr. Mrs. Van der Tramp. Il est passé. Il est passé.